Naghanap kayo ng matinding prank.
Ano na naman yun? Ano yun? Ano mo na natatami?
Hello, Frank. Sabihin mo ang Coca-Cola na hindi nagdidikit ang labi mo.
Coca-Cola.
Galing. Sabihin mo ng normal.
Coca-Cola?
O nagdikit labi mo.
Hindi.
Dito sa kabila. Bigay mo.
Hindi naman ko yun.
Sabi sige mo. 1,000 plus. Ilan yan? 40
1,040.
plus 1,000
2,040.
plus 10
2,070.
plus 1,000
3,070.
plus 20
3,090.
plus 1,000
4,090.
plus 10
Ano? 4,090.
plus 10
4,090 plus 10. 5,000 nga. Ano ba? Ay, mali. 4,090 plus 10. Tama naman ako ah. Ano ba sagot?
sabihin mo sa camera 4,090 plus 10
Ano?
4,090 plus 10
Oh, 4,090 plus 10.
ilan? Ilan?
Di ba 5,000?
Guys, kayo sumagot.
Ay.
So unexpected, out of the blue, the day that I looked up and somehow found you. We talked for hours till they seemed like days. I couldn't wait to meet you face to face. And I picked you up, we went for a drive. And darling, that night my heart came alive. Right then I knew that the right one was there. Broke down my walls to start trusting and care. Behind your eyes, deep in your heart, my past left behind to make a new start. I thank the Lord for the love that we've got, forever and always, no matter what.
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Kahit wala pa kaming YouTube channel.
Then a couple weeks later, I got introduced to parts of my heart that I never knew. A cute little princess and sweet baby boy. Never in my life have I felt such joy. Now I sit here smiling every night, thanking the Lord for this beautiful life. Whoa, and right then I knew that the right one was there. Broke down my walls to start trusting and care. You made me a father, and I'm proud to be another to love them the way that they need. And I thank the Lord for the love that we've got, forever and always, no matter what. No matter what.
May gagawin akong prank. Yan. Tingnan nyo ang suot ko. Hala, tika na. Lakad na tayo. Ay, titinda kami ng fishball eh. So, siya lang mag-isa doon. Yan ha, ito yung surprise ko sa iyo. Tingnan natin ang reaction. Okay? Patayin ko muna kasi pipilip ko yung camera. Ha? Ha? Bakit? Alin? Ano yan? Ano yan? Sabi sa'yo, gawin mo. Pagmahal mo raw, kahit yung pinakapangit na